to the channel. I'm Marcy, Wyatt's mom, and I'm so excited to be here for a race. I didn't get to make it last week, but we're on our way to Hattiesburg for a race weekend, and I get to be here tonight, so I'm very excited. Hi, Wyatt.
Hey.
All right, thanks for driving us. So what you thinking about tonight?
Well, just like last week, we will have the bigger tires on, and hopefully we'll see how many cars are there. There are only 2 other cars there last week. We're supposed to have, like, during intermission, we'll go out onto the track and meet fans, so there may be more cars there. But we'll just have to see how it goes. I'll try and I'll feel my way around the track. I may try a couple of different lines, but hopefully I can just get around Becky on the outside again if she's here. Or not again, because I didn't get past her last time, but hopefully I can pick up a win tonight. We'll see how everything goes. We got 2 more big tires to go in the back, and those fit on fine, so we will, yeah, we're going to be at the track in about 5 minutes, and after driver's meeting, we will do hot laps.
All right, we'll check in with y'all when we get there.
Mini sprints to stage 8. Your streets, get your gear together, be ready to roll.
And it got cut. Did it get cut short, or did y'all go your full?
Maybe by like 1 lap. That
okay.
Guy, I guess it looked like he was on fire, or at least there were a lot of sparks coming out from under his car.
All right, I didn't see that. I just saw smoke at first, and then like at the end, it was like really smoking. So you think he has like some sort of fire?
Probably, but if it, like I said, if it got cut short, it was only by a lap or 2.
Right.
But the track was obviously really wet still. The car did okay. I was hitting the rev limiter, but I think the track's it's obviously gonna be a lot different for the heats because it just dries up so quickly here. So yeah, I'm starting last in the first heat. I think that's inside 4th row, 4th or 3rd row. So yeah, I'll get out there, and we'll talk to y'all after the heat. I hope to be able to, I'll have to make some good passes, but I think I can get past some of the people in the heat. We'll see how it goes.
All right, good job.
Yep.
All right, tell us about it.
Well, the car felt pretty good. Obviously, I kind of fell behind at the start. I missed my shift, and I managed to get past Becky, but the car in front of me was pulling away pretty good. But I wasn't going in as hard, and it seemed like I wasn't sliding. I was able to like drive it through the corner better. I'm not really sure how much that helped me. Obviously, I got past Becky, but she kind of made a couple mistakes. So we will have the feature in a little bit, and I think I'll be starting inside second row. So,
All right.
and surprisingly, I think only 3 of us showed up, and there were supposed to be like
There are like
9 of us.
yeah, there's 2 heats, and I think there's supposed to be like 5 in your heat. Yeah, and only 3 of you showed up, so we don't know what happened to the other 3.
They're working on 57 over there.
All right.
I'll leave.
Well, yeah, we'll see y'all after the feature.
All right.
Oh, and I forgot to turn on the GoPro, but I will make sure to turn it on this time for the feature.
Okay.
So,
Oh, bacon.
Throw it down here.
Send somebody up here with that ticket. We'll hold on. In the meantime, fans, you can head on down to the track, go meet and greet your favorite drivers, get some pictures.
Thank you.
you want this? You want the blue or the purple? Blue. Okay.
Hey, I get a picture with you right quick. Wait, can you take it?
Hi.
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 Sure, man.
first feature of the night. Y'all enjoy that one? Next up is our mini sprint feature. Once again, fans, this is now a permanent class here at Hattiesburg Speedway. So every Friday night, the mini sprints will be joining us for the rest of the racing season. Here's the way they line up for the feature. Row number 7, O1D of Brent Bass. Row number 6, the 26 of Blake Smith. Inside, the 23W of
Wow. All right, you started out second inside.
Yep. Oh gosh.
So, you know, we have video that shows you ran a really good race. Tell us about, did you see that 29 coming up behind you? Or you know,
Well, I didn't see him, but yeah, he just appeared at my door and he hit me, and I tried to stay with him,
he
but
did hit you. I thought he made contact, yeah.
yeah, but I mean, I tried to keep up with him, but he was long gone. The number 3 also was long gone. He was moving. It stinks that he got disqualified because he was having a good race. But
yeah, he's a good guy. But since he got disqualified, that means you finished what?
First.
First, you got a first.
So I won.
You're first.
Yep.
You're first. That's great, Wyatt.
Thank you.
Any other comments up there? Because you were neck and neck with
The 21 or 27.
Yeah.
Yeah, that blue car. That was. I hope I didn't like cut him off real bad at any point. I was just. At one point, I just stopped seeing him, so I assumed that I was moving away. I don't know.
Okay.
So.
All right.
Yeah, I could hear them back there for a while though. I could definitely hear them.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a great race. I had a great time, and yeah, we'll be at Jackson tomorrow night with, I guess, Austin and Mr. Gregor racing with us. So.
All right.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
All right.
Yeah.